If you are that one kind that spends up to 5 and above hours on TikTok watching video, well, there's a surprise for you. Here is an app that pays you for simply watching video. First and foremost, this is app right here has been the talk of the town when it comes to an app that pays you for watching videos. So guys, instead of wasting your time watching videos on TikTok, all this stuff, you can come over right here to this app. You can see right here on my wallet, I've been earning actually on this app. You can see right here, I already have $4, $4.83. Okay guys. So I'm going to break down this app into details. So right here, once you've signed up on this app, once you come to this end section, you're going to see something like my glasses right here. You can see my glasses and yours will be full. The lifetime for your glasses will be filled. Then your paid minutes will be 5 minutes. That's for the first time you are entering this app. So guys, what you're going to do is, first of all, choose your strategy. You're going to choose your strategy. So to choose your strategy, just come to this strategy section and click on how does it work right here. Once you click on how does it work, you're going to see a detailed explanation for the strategies. Then select the one that best suits you. So guys, once you selected your strategy, you can now come right to the watch section. So guys, my minutes has finished. My minutes for watching videos has finished. So you can see the timer up there. The timer I still can't. So my minutes has finished. So guys, I have to wait for like 1 hour for my paid minutes. That's what I mean by paid minutes is the minute you spend on watching videos, you'll be paid for it. So once I'm watching video now and my paid minutes is finished, I won't be earning anything. So guys, you have to have paid minutes before you can watch. So once you see a timer up here, just know your paid minutes has finished. So guys, you're going to be watching it until maybe you can see
spilled her husband's ashes on her hand.
A box will drop. You see something like a box, you'll be asked to tap the box. So once the box opens, you're going to get Lee. You're going to receive Lee coin. And that Lee coin is what you withdraw. But guys, there's something fishy. So guys, you can earn Lee coin as much as you want with the free glasses, but know you that the glasses will still break. So once the lifetime reaches 0, the glasses will break, but your earnings will remain there. So guys, before you withdraw on this app, you have to purchase glasses. So just come right here to the market section, click on this market right here, then click on glasses. You can see this is the lowest price, $3.09. And guys, the good news, if you're in Nigeria, you can pay with OPay to this place. You can buy the glasses with OPay. That's for Nigerians. So me, I'm in Nigeria, so click on buy now. I don't want to buy the glasses now because I still have my free glasses on. So click on buy now, and know you that once you're buying these glasses, once you have activated the glasses you bought, it lasts for 30 days, and after 30 days it expires. And with these glasses, if you are that active, you will earn up to $10. That is for using this glass. If you are active using this glass, you earn up to $10. So guys, when you click on buy now, you're going to see this. After making your first purchase, withdrawal will be available, and this withdrawal is straight to your bank account. So click on buy. If you are ready to buy, just click on buy. When you click on buy, you're going to see your currency. Click on buy right here. Then this, I'll select OPay. I'm in Nigeria. Select your currency by clicking right here. So I'm in Nigeria. Click on NGN, Nigerian Naira. Then right here you can see OPay. Okay, I'm going to use OPay for this deposit. Then this is the amount you're going to be paying. Okay guys, 4808.32. So I'll click on buy. So when I click on buy, I'm going to be going to Chrome. I'll go to Chrome. So guys, just follow this video to the very end so as not to make any single mistake. So guys, right now I'm going to be inputting my details. So I'm going to input my email. I'm going to be using the email I used for Cheelee. Okay, I'll input my email. Then the first name on my account. I'm going to be inputting the first name on my account, on my OPay account. So guys, just follow this video to the very end. My first name on my account, and then I'm going to be inputting my last name. So right now, my phone number, I'll click on proceed to checkout. So guys, this is it right here. So go to your bank app and make payments to this account. This account right here. So guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this account number. I'm going to copy it. Copy. And I'm going to copy the total amount, 4080. And this is the bank name. So over to my OPay. So now I'm going to transfer. Click on I'll transfer the money right now. So guys, I'm going to input the account number to now. So I'll enter the account number now, and then the bank. This is the bank for my transfer. For every transfer I want to make, you'll be given a specific account to transfer to. So I'll click on next. Do not make any mistake in this transfer. Enter the exact amount you were asked to enter, and then the remark there, buying glasses for 4808. Buying glasses for 4808. Okay, no mistakes. Do not make any mistakes during this process. 4808. Okay, now I'll click on confirm. I'm going to send the money straight to them. Now click on pay. Now I've done the transfer. All I have to do is to go back to this website. I go back to the website. Once you've made the transfer, click on yes, I have paid. Click on yes, I have paid. Then you'll be checked whether your payments are. It's going to check whether you have made the payments. So guys, as you can see, I've already made the purchase. I've already made the purchase of the glass. I've already made the purchase. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you my purchase. Right there, you can see my glass. You can see my glass right here. This is it. So guys, go leverage on this app. This app is actually paying people right now. So guys, if you like this video, do well to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.